Whether you're new to woodworking or an experienced carpenter, a jointer planer combo is an excellent choice for those of us with limited space in our workshop. It can cut down on some precision, but will save you time, space, and money. For most projects, a jointer planer combo is plenty good enough to get the job done. We're listing some of the best jointer planer combination machines available on the market today, with a wide range of options for size, features, ease of use, and price. Of course, your best choice will depend on your specific needs. There are many products available to choose the best jointer planer combo machines for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best jointer planer combo machines for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JJP1212 Planer Jointer, 3 HP, 1 pH, 230 V, 708,475. Jet's JJP12 is a 12 planer jointer combo with 3 HP, giving it lots of power and a good width capacity. In addition, the unit features an extra-large extruded aluminum fence with easy-to-use controls for quick adjustments. The 3-speed steel knife cutter head provides a rapid cut and sleek finish, making this one of the most cost-effective jointer planer combos on the market. The built-in 4-dust port for the dust chute is excellent, and the machine can handle a quick changeover from jointing to planing. In addition, the fence doesn't need to be removed for the changeover on this unit, meaning that your workflow will be even less interrupted. This is a great choice if you're looking to mill rough lumber from a lumberyard. It's far superior to what you'd find at a big box store. At about 500 pounds, the whole assembly is rock solid and heavy for increased stability. The one problem may be the guard. A sliding guard can obstruct the operating path when moving along the table. A different guard may have made the machine cleaner to use overall. The heavy-duty, welded steel cabinet base houses the motor and planer table and provides solid support for the jointer table. The increased stability from the steel base reduces vibrations and includes mounting tabs for increased stability. Number 2. Best Spiral Cutterhead Jointer Planer Combo WEN JT630H6 Spiral Jointer Planer. If you prefer a spiral cutter head, then this model by WEN is certainly one I would check out. This model comes with 12 staggered HSS blades, and with 10 amp of power behind it. It does mean this small machine doesn't mess around. With this level of power, it does mean the machine can cut through all types of wood, and it does so with relative ease. Regarding the cutting of the boards, it can remove up to with each pass, and that's perfectly adequate. I also feel that at 6, while most will see this as being too small, it does mean it's ideal for small projects, and I would also suggest it for people new to using this type of machine. You do also have the option of creating that bevel angle of up to 45 degrees simply by tilting the fence, and this is straightforward to do. It comes with a spring-loaded guard, so the chances of hurting yourself will be reduced. Overall, this jointer planer combo machine can be set up in minutes, and it can then produce extraordinary results in a short period of time. I find it easy to use, and I am consistently impressed by its results. Number 3. Best Jointer Planer for Versatility Porter Cable 6 Jointer Planer Combo, PC160JTR. Porter Cable is a name I love when I'm searching for a well-made tool that doesn't exactly come with a hefty price tag, and this jointer planer combo machine is a prime example. Complete with 10 amp of power, I like how this model makes it easy to vary the speed from between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM. That does mean it offers a cutting limit of anywhere from 12,000 to 22,000 cuts per minute. Porter Cable does make a habit of producing tools that are easy to use, and I know that this also applies here. For example, when changing the knives, it takes minutes to do, thanks to the ease of access, and you can then resume cutting those boards immediately. I also appreciate that this machine comes with a reasonable size table, so you feel as if the boards can sit comfortably as you work on them. Once again, that provides a steady feel to it all, and I see that as crucial for producing the results you want. Overall, this inexpensive jointer planer combo machine provides everything you need, from boards to an easily adjustable fence for angles and even a dust port to keep everything clean. Number 4. Best Heavy-Duty Jointer Planer Combo Jet JPJ12B. I'm going back to another model by Jet for the jointer planer combo I feel represents the best option for heavy-duty use. In this instance, you get a bit more power at 15 amp, even though the cutting speed is reduced to 5,300 RPM. However, I don't see that as too problematic as the power will shine through. This model comes with 3 knives and offers a 12 cutting width, which is larger than most. Also, that 15 amp motor churns out a total of 3 HP, making it one of the more powerful options on the market. I do love how it comes with an extra large fence that remains exceptionally easy to adjust. It's also straightforward to get those desired cutting angles as well with this model, so versatility is not an issue. But this machine is heavy. You need space in your workshop because moving around will not be easy. However, it still means you get 2 machines built into one, so it's less of an issue than you may feel. Overall, I just think that this machine's power and robust nature are why I see it as the best heavy-duty model out there. Number 5. Jet JJP12HH12 Planer Jointer with Helical Head, 708,476. The Jet JJP12HH is a step up from the JJP12, one of the most cost-effective spiral cutter head machines currently available. However, as an entry-level piece of equipment, it provides exceptional performance. The European-style blade guard can be lowered and raised using a knob, making it fairly easy to use. While both the infeed and outfeed are metal, the outfeed has a rubber cover that may deteriorate over time, but is very helpful for precision cuts. It has a very low amount of snipe. Some adjustments are necessary out of the box, but nothing too major. It shouldn't take more than a few hours to get it ready with the help of the owner's manual. Like the JJP12, it is a heavyweight unit with cast iron tables. This makes it solid, stationary, and low vibration. It's also very easy to convert from jointer to planer and back, as you don't need to reposition the jointer fence when switching between the two. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.